Disclaimer. Hi, I'm Outlaw Physio, a licensed physical therapist. Before we start, I want to be clear, I can't guarantee this will fix the root cause of your pain instantly. But based on my experience with many of my discharged and current patients, these exercises can really help. This video is intended for patients who are undergoing physical therapy, especially those who've been prescribed the core strengthening exercises. If you're unsure, feel increased pain, or feel afraid to try them, please consult your rehab doctor or physical therapist first. Now, let's go over the McGill Big Three, simple but powerful core exercises to help protect and support your spine. First, the curl up. Lie on your back with one leg straight and the other bent. Place your hands under your lower back to maintain a natural curve. Gently lift your head and shoulders slightly off the floor. Hold for 10 seconds, breathing steadily. Then lower slowly. Here's the tip. This isn't a full sit-up. Keep the movement small and precise. Do this for 5 reps. Hold each for 10 seconds. Next is the side plank. Lie on your side with your elbow under your shoulder. Stack your knees or feet for advance. Lift your hips up and hold your body in a straight line. Hold for 10 seconds, then slowly lower. Here's the tip. Don't let your hips sag. Engage your core and glutes. 5 reps per side, hold for 10 seconds each. Lastly, the bird dog. Get on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Extend one arm and the opposite leg at the same time. Keep your hips level, no twisting. Hold for 10 seconds, then return and switch sides. Here's the tip. Slow, controlled movement is the key here. 5 reps per side, holding each for 10 seconds. That's the McGill Big Three. I recommend doing these consistently to build a stable core and support your spine. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone, maybe a friend, a relative, or a fellow patient who needs this info. Also, stay tuned. I'll be creating more follow-along sessions and exercise videos, not limited to the McGill Big Three, to help guide you in your rehab or home routine. Stay consistent, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Disclaimer.